Yeah, I mean it's my shoulder's remarkably better. Like when I started, I mean the fact that I can do this is like amazing. Like
Awesome.
I couldn't do, I could do this. So when I do this, it feels relatively smooth. It does. If I compare sides,
Yeah.
there's no, I wouldn't call it pain, I would call it irritation. So if I do this side, there's no irritation. If I do this side, I seem to have pretty good, almost full range of motion. I lead a tough life, right? I was skiing, so 2 weeks ago I was skiing, and then we had a work trip sales reward thing. So I was down in Turks and Caicos. So
Awesome.
down there, I was swimming in the ocean, and I could actually swim. Like
Awesome.
what kind of drove me, like we were on vacation in Hawaii again, a rough life. Couldn't, I couldn't dive into the ocean. I couldn't do that without extreme pain. So yeah, it's
Awesome.
and since we started, the change is remarkable. So
Awesome. What do you think has made like the biggest difference with it? Like from the programming?
it's every, I mean, I think the sequence of exercises, I think the confidence of knowing that, okay, I'm doing these exercises, they're going to help. It's not, not, I'm not making anything worse. And there were just certain spots where all of a sudden, um, like I would just notice in day-to-day movement that, hey, I'm not, like reaching on something on a shelf. I was like, oh my God, I can raise my arm without pain. Like that's
Awesome.
great. So, I think just kind of going through each, and then it was interesting when I did the exercises. Like I was thinking the wall open book, like, I was doing that, and I would only be able to get so far on the affected shoulder. And each time I did it, I got a little farther. And then all of a sudden one day it was like, boom, like you're fine. Like, um, so I noticed that on a few of the exercises where it's like, okay, I can do this. It's, I can't quite do the full range of motion. And then, after, a week or so, all of a sudden it would jump to the next one. So, I think, I think it wasn't like any one thing. I think it was, yeah, it was just the combination of going through, being, consistent and doing all of the exercises and getting them done.
Right.
That difference.
Right. This is the first thing you tried, right? This programming. You hadn't really done a ton of other
No.
or anything.
Yeah, no, I mean, other than just trying to do various exercises I would see on, YouTube if you search for, how to fix a frozen shoulder. But no, this was the first one. Like after suffering for whatever, I was probably suffering for 3 or 4 months
I see.
with no real improvement. Then yeah, that this was the first program that I like, because I was like, when I got back from Hawaii, I told my wife, I'm like, I got to go to physical therapy, to fix this shoulder. Clearly, I can't fix it my own. And then that's how I found you guys online. I'm like, oh, this looks like the perfect uh, process.
Working with the program itself, the communication, the online process, like how's that been?
Yeah, it's been, super easy. I get my email in the morning with my exercises, and I use the app to view them. App has been fine though, and it's, communication's been, every time I drop a comment and you get back to me relatively quickly. Opener with the band,
Yeah.
that was awesome, because like when we first did this one, like I couldn't move. Like I could do here, and then I couldn't get any farther, and like the band was like, oh, and then I kept like, or crawling farther away, so the band had more tension, and it was, pulling a little bit harder. So
I like it. This is you coming out to the side where you couldn't even bring it past 90 degrees there.
yeah,
Yeah, our external rotation was there. Today, first time, right? We could barely get it up. So we're actually able to get it up there, which is huge. Today, we were at least able to see maybe we can see your thumb. Yeah. So there's definitely some progress there. I mean, yeah, even that's huge, right? I mean, could hardly even get it there. And now you can actually see the shoulder rotating, getting your thumb up there.